its history.
Equity Bank is set to enter the vast Democratic Republic of Congo market with an acquisition of ProCredit Bank. Equity Group Holdings entered into an agreement to acquire 79% of the issued share capital of ProCredit Bank Congo.
What attracts us in Congo is people who are significantly excluded from financial services. Only 4% of the population of Congo have bank accounts. This is a country that also at the moment is registering a 9% growth rate. So you could say the weed is growing strong and can easily support any boat whose sail is up. And equity sail is always up.
ProCredit is the 7th largest bank by assets in the market, with net assets of $25 million and a customer base of over 170,000. With the buyout, Equity is now positioned to grow in the vast and resource-rich country as the market scales up its banking penetration from the current levels of under 4%.
This is a country that is fully dollarized. So the issue of exchange risks and volatility that goes with instability in terms of exchange risk then doesn't exist, because the balance sheet we'll be dealing with is in dollars. The agency network, that we now have 20,000 agents, we have learned a lot. And we believe DRC would be very ripe for. If Equity Bank is growing its balance sheet in Kenya at 25, when the average growth rate of the industry is 12–11%, you can imagine what we anticipate to happen where the banking industry is growing at 30%. We have set ourselves a growth rate of 70% compounded for the first 5 years.
The acquisition provides a platform for Equity to further the group's growth objectives while extending its mission of financial inclusion across Africa.
Civil servants in DRC have been paid cash. They now have been asked to open bank accounts. What does it mean? We have allocated for this project $60 million. That's about roughly 6 billion shillings to ensure that opportunity is tapped into. That may include a little bit of increasing the branches aggressively.
ProCredit manager Helen Alexander said after evaluating various bids, ProCredit was clear that Equity Group will offer excellent prospect for its clients, staff, and most importantly, the DRC economy.
We've negotiated very hard over 6 months to actually obviously pull the deal together. We then presented the management team as well as our shareholders with a choice of buyers. We had choices. We had other attractive offers. Obviously, Equity brings a lot of things. All our management board can say in ProCredit Bank nowadays is we want to do what Equity's done in Kenya in Congo. It's obvious, it's easy, and Equity Bank brings a lot of expertise, vision, capital, experience, all of these things. But above all, I think it brings a commitment to what our people believe very strongly is above all to do the right thing by clients and to do the right thing by the country in which you're operating.
Once we establish ourselves in Congo, the next phase of going to Mozambique, going to Zambia, Zimbabwe, Malawi, Angola, it will just be an extension. That will enable us, put together with Tanzania, to say we'll be sharing borders with all the other 6 aspirational countries. And so you could see it, we couldn't have got a better springboard to be able to go to Southern Africa, which is our next stop.